Oh, so you need God and the universe to tell you that everything will be all right and give you a sign, like a flower falling in front of you or some serendipity happening? You have it. It is called the sunrise. The sun rises every single day without fail after a night of darkness. And you know what the best part is? So it does this every single day without fail. No fail. Every single day the sun will rise. You can count on it. If there are things you can count on, that is the one thing you can count on. The sun will rise every single day without fail. And even in the night when everything is dark, it is so beautiful that you have a light in the sky that you can look up to. There is always a light. More often than not, there is a light. And you know what's even more beautiful than the fact that there is a light in the sky that you can look forward to even when things are dark? The fact that the light coming from the moon is just the light from the sun. It's just being reflected. So it is the sun being there for you in disguise and telling you that, hey, look forward to this, wait it out, spend some time, put some time, give it some time, and tomorrow morning there will be a new fresh morning. If that is not a sign and a metaphor that every day can be a fresh new start and every day can be as amazing as ever and you get a new chance, like our lives are so long. We live 80 years now, something like that. And 24 hours is what the universe chose for the sun to go around. So we get, I can't do the math right now, but like we get 2,000-3,000 5,000 fresh starts every, like in our life. We get 7,000-8,000 fresh starts in our life. That's crazy. The universe is set up that way. You don't need any other sign. God is telling you to chill the F out and just enjoy and go see sunrises and sunsets and enjoy the darkness and the light, because the sun will rise tomorrow. And if that doesn't give anyone hope, then God's like, अब मैं अगर celestial bodies को move करवा के तुम्हें hope दे रहा हूँ और तुम्हें उससे फायदा नहीं हो रहा, तो मैं एक फूल गिरा के लोगों को इधर उधर करवा के क्या ही कर लूँगा? That is what God is thinking. I'm pretty sure. I talk to him daily. So yeah. Have a good morning. Have a good day. I love you. Bye bye. Have some hope. Hope is all we have. Have some hope for yourself. It's nice. It really empowers. Okay, bye.